Welcome to Live in and as Light messages. These messages are from Divine Source Universe. I've been guided to share these with you. These are eternal and timeless. Whenever you come across this message, it is meant for you. Take whatever resonates with you and trust your intuition at all the time. This is Akanksshaa. Please like, comment, share, follow, subscribe wherever you're watching this. This is like an energy exchange, and let's keep the energy of knowledge, of light and love flowing. Our first message today is I am affected only by my thoughts. Seek not to change the world, but choose to change your mind about the world. What you see reflects your thinking, and your thinking but reflects your choice of what you want to see. There is a very beautiful saying of Dr. Wayne Dyer: when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. So this message is to change the way you look at the world. And the second card is double mission. Lightworker starseed, serve the world by being you. Lightworker starseeds are mission and purpose oriented. Many have the feeling that time is running out and there's something they came here to do, contribute or create. They are here to grow as souls individually, individual mission, and also to contribute to the planet in some action-oriented way. That is a collective mission. Their collective mission is often answered through a career calling or by devoting their life to something bigger. Until they remember their collective mission, it can feel as if something is missing, or that they are forgetting something important. It's common for lightworker starseeds to feel that they are different, and they may carry soul memories of being visible or sharing their voice. As such, they may protect themselves by dimming their light in order to fit, or by spending time in some sort of closet, such as spiritual closet. If you pull this card, you're being called to remember your collective mission and step into it even more fully. You are being reminded that your role as a light worker is to light up the world with your presence. This doesn't have to be a great big thing or a decision you need to take. You also don't need to have a great big plan. If you resonate with being a light worker, all you need to do is work out what lights you up. That is your passions and joys, and keep doing that. When you trust and follow the simple path of things that light you up and then lose yourself in the doing, you will light up the world without even trying. So there is an inquiry that you can do. How can you serve the world by being you? What lights you up? What are your passions and joys? And what is it that you think is your mission? You can remember your soul's mission and then follow that path. So the message is you have an individual mission as well as a collective mission. And light up this world, shine your light bright. That is today's message. That's it for today. Lots of love.